All right, we are going to do the crop cutout effect without the crop tool. So Adobe Express just updated and got rid of crop, right? So here's how I did it. I got a black circle on the bottom and the remove background image on top with some erasing to that top image. So I guess what I'm trying to say here is, right, if you go to, there's no crop button over here like there was a little while ago. So let's make a new document. I think this works best with a square image. Drag in your image or get one from photos. Try to resize it the best you can to start. So I don't know, something like that. Duplicate it, contextual menu, duplicate, Command D, and then select them both and position them on top of each other, middle, center. And then we're gonna get the top image and remove the background, which you should be able to do with the basic non-premium Adobe Express account. And while we're here, I'm going to opacity it to 0 so it goes invisible. And then I'm going to get a black circle. You could get a star or a heart or whatever, but they're under these elements. And shapes, view all. So I'm just going to use a black circle, but you can scroll through all of them and pick one you like. So here's a black circle. And I'm going to try to kind of position it about here. In between the eyes, and then option drag kind of into the ears so the ears come out of the circle, and then let go of the keyboard, then let go of option, and then drag the black circle to the very bottom. Target or select the image above the black circle, the layer above the black circle, and go opacity blend mode and change it to screen, which causes the wherever it's black inside the circle, it has the top image be revealed, and wherever it's white outside the circle, white's the brightest color, so it overtakes all the other pixels on the top layer. All right, so we are going to go back and opacity on 100%. I say eyeball on from Photoshop, but all right, opacity 100%, and now get the erase to that top image. And this, I think you need premium. You don't want quick select, you want the circle brush. You just want enough to kind of come over this area, and then you can increase the size and get rid of the rest. All right, done. So that's good, but if you want to put this on a transparent background, you could duplicate this circle and add like an outline. I think you can even add a border now with the new version. So if you want a border to be light blue, yeah, because the blend mode's on, it's not going to work. But you could duplicate this, and let's try it while we're here, right? So click on the circle, duplicate it. Actually, let's save it for the next step. Let's go. So my point is I want to get this on a transparent background, so I got to add a page, same size, and then I got to go to the background color and set it to none. And then I got to make this a PNG. Basically, I have to fuse these layers. I got to merge visible, and I got to do that by going to download. Untitled one, I haven't given it a name. And then I can put that download merged in here. And I tried remove background at first, but I think it works better if you go to erase with the quick select this time, quick selection, and then just paint a little in the white. And if it doesn't work there, paint a little more on the bottom. Looks like I got to come over here. All right, so done. And now, like I said, let's drag a second circle in here. See if it gives me smart guide alignment. There. could change the circle color to like light blue, the eyes, and grab a corner and go Option. Nope, no, I'm just messing it up. Command Z, circle, grab a corner, hold Option, and then drag the circle underneath, and make sure you're targeting just the circle. Looks like it's a little too big of a circle, so I could drag a corner. All right, so there it is, a crop cutout effect in the new Adobe Express without crop in the image setting options. All right, have fun with it.